Okay, so we got this logarithms, and we need to work out each one of them. So we're going to start out with this first question here, which is x is equals to log base 2 16. And what I'll do to move here and move x up, and that will be 16. And of course, if you do 16 in terms of powers of 2, you will get 2 to the power of 4. And of course, x here will be 4. Okay? All right, so that you know. And then here you have 4 equals log 81 base x. So x will come here and lift up 4 and equals to 81. And x to the power, well, this is power 4. And 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4. So definitely they have the same power, so definitely here s will be 3, of course. And then of course for the last question, which is going to be like, you'll have this person here, 2 log x base 7. Again, 7 will come here and lift up this 2, and what I have here will be x, and 7 squared will be 49, and just have x. So you can see all the results here. The first one, x is 4, s is 3, and the last one, x is 49. Again, if you have any comment, please put them in the comment section, and I'll read it and I will respond if I have to. Thank you, and do have a wonderful time.